Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Better Way of Learning. Today we are going to learn about capital intensive project and labor intensive project and differentiate them. Uh, Without any delay, I would like to go with the differences between the capital intensive project and labor intensive project. As the name suggests, capital intensive projects are those projects that require relatively high level of capital investment compared to the labor cost. And in the labor intensive project, it requires a relatively high level of labor labor cost compared to the capital investment. Uh, Capital intensive project processes are more likely to be highly automated and to be used to produce on a large scale. That is, in the capital intensive project, different newly advanced modern technology are used and highly skilled manpowers are used here, so that some of the products can be produced on a large scale. For example, production of the shops, uh, uh, mm, clothes, it can be taken onto the capital intensive project, whereas labor intensive projects are are used for the production of the individual or personalized products, such as you can take as a garments, the handmade products. Also, in civil engineering, you can take it as the project undertaken by the contractors, such as building projects, road projects, etc. Capital is a long-term investment for most businesses, and cost of financing, maintaining and depreciating this equipment represents a substantial. Actually, in the capital-intensive project, uh, it requires a large investment. For why in the large investment are required are it is required for financing. First of all, for buying the equipments for the production, buying the raw materials, and so on, and for maintaining the equipments, and um, and the cost need to be saved for the replacement of the equipments, which is known as a depreciating cost of the equipment. In the labor intensive project, the costs required for wages and other benefits, for the recruitment of the laborers, for training to the laborers, for providing training to the laborers, and so on. In order to maximize efficiency, firm wants their capital investment to be fully utilized. That is, in the capital intensive project, certain capital is provided or is raised, and for its maximum efficiency, for achieving its maximum goal, it need to invest all its capital. And in the labor intensive project, in order to maximize the efficiency, sufficient suitable staffs can be recruited, that is, can be taken for the maximizing efficiency of the project. Capital project can be time consuming scalable, so that capital intensive project involves uh, tools and equipments which have fixed capacity. For example, if we have taken we have bought a equipment which produces soap, it has a certain capacity. For example, soap capacity, equipment having the capacity of 1,000 soaps per hour, means it will produce 1,000 soaps in hour. For increasing its capacity, either we have to replace the equipment, or certain a large amount of cost might be required for increasing its capacity. Whereas in a labor intensive project, for there is flexibility in the capacity, and that if we have to increase our speed or efficiency, we can uh, we can we can achieve it by the overtime, or by appointing the temporary staffs. A capital intensive project is it requires modern technology and highly skilled manpower. while labor intensive project is a traditional technology and used with a very less number of skilled manpower. Thank you. That's all this video. Hope you guys enjoy it and you find it interesting. For supporting me and for such kinds of videos in the future, please don't forget to like, subscribe our YouTube channel, Better Way of Learning.